What's going on, YouTube? Today I want to show you my 5 reasons on why you need the AMEX Gold card. I've had this card for about 6 months now and I absolutely love it. If you tend to spend a good bit of money at restaurants and US supermarkets, this is the card for you. There is a $250 annual fee, however I'm going to show you today how to really maximize these benefits and allow you to easily earn back that $250 and much more. Since January 1st, I've earned 5,512 points at restaurants, 2,996 points at supermarkets, 270 in airfare, 821 in all other purchases, and 768 points in bonuses. That's a total of 10,367 points in just over 2 months. And now, for those of you who are unaware, each 100 points on Amex is about $1 US, so that's $103 just for using this card over the course of 2 months. I'll likely earn a little bit over $600 this year just from using this card, and that's without any of the additional benefits that I plan on going into now. This is a good transition into my first reason why you need the AMEX Gold card, and that is due to Amex's membership rewards program. Now, as you can see here, you'll be earning 4 times the points at US supermarkets and global restaurants, as well as triple the points spent on airlines directly or on AMEXtravel.com. And in today's market, there are very few cards that will give you 4% cash back or 4 times the points under these 2 options. And let's be honest, guys, you are going to be spending money at supermarkets. You are going to be spending money at global restaurants. So there's no reason why you shouldn't have this card to maximize your spending. So if you think of it this way, for every $100 that you spend at these places, you'll receive $4 back in points. It's important to note that the supermarket 4 times the points is capped at $25,000 each year and is only valid in the United States. Additionally, you'll earn 1 times points on all other purchases. Reason number 2 is the $100 in airline credits that you receive each year. Now, at the beginning of the year, in January, you select an airline to use the credit with. I recommend picking an airline that you fly the most with because this credit is going to be used on incidental charges. Now, for those of you unaware, incidental charges are various charges such as checked bags, food and beverages on the flight, flight change fees, and even airport lounge passes with that selected airline. If you plan to travel more than 2 times a year, you'll easily eat up this $100. Reason number 3 is the $120 in dining credit that you receive each year. On Amex, each month they will give you $10 in dining credit, which is valid on Grubhub, Seamless, Shake Shack, Cheesecake Factory, Ruth Chris's Steakhouse, and Box, which are shown here. Now, I typically only use this on Grubhub each month for a free meal. However, these options are available at all these other locations. And so all you have to do is use your gold card on Grubhub or at these locations, and within 2 to 4 weeks, you'll see that Amex recredits you $10. I've seen the credit actually post in a couple of days rather than the 2 to 4 weeks, so that's definitely a more conservative number that Amex provides. A good thing to know is that this credit cannot be used on gift cards at these locations, so don't go buying a gift card and thinking that you'll be getting your $10 in credit each month, because that will not happen. They keep an eye out for that. Reason number 4 is for the hotel collection program that you'll have access to once you receive your gold card. Now, this membership is an exclusive collection that's only available to Amex Gold and Amex Platinum card members. And within this collection and at these hotels and resorts, you'll be given a free room upgrade upon arrival, as well as $100 credit that can be used either for food and beverage, or at their spa, or any other amenities that they have on site. You'll need to stay at least 2 nights at these hotels or resorts in order to get this benefit. You are also able to pay with points at these locations and receive double the membership rewards points when spending money there. As you can see here, this is what the listing looks like if you click a hotel under the hotel collection program. This is a hotel in Athens, Greece, which offers you $100 in dining, spa, and resort activities, as well as a room upgrade if available. The hotel collection isn't just limited to boutique hotels, but it's also name brand hotels such as Hilton, Hyatt, and Kimpton hotels. The 5th and final reason why you need the Amex Gold card is due to the welcome offer. So you'll receive 50,000 points after you spend $4,000 within 3 months of receiving the card. Now, normally the bonus is only limited to 35,000 points, but if you use the link that's in the description below, you'll be eligible for another 15,000 points. And this translates to roughly $500 and could be used on flights, hotels, or car rentals, and are worth a little bit more actually if you book on AMEXtravel.com. So make sure to sign up using the referral link below and grab yourself some extra points if you want to get this card. Trust me, you won't regret it when you're sitting in Bali getting served pina coladas in the sun and knowing that it's all for free. Now, after using this card for the past 6 months, I've really come to love it, along with my AMEX Platinum card. If you're a normal everyday spender and you're going to supermarkets and you're spending money at restaurants each month, you need this card. It's going to maximize your spending and you're going to get rewards for it. So trust me, get this card, it will pay for itself, and within a couple of months, you're going to already receive your $250 back. So don't just take my word for it. I'm going to show you exactly how many points that I'm projected to earn this year based on my earning history over the past 6 months. So if I continue to spend the amount that I have in the last 6 months, by the end of the year, I should earn over 33,000 points at restaurants, 18,000 points at US supermarkets, 1,800 in airfare, and 2,400 on all other purchases. Now, once you tally that up, that's 55,200 points, or roughly $552 per year. And we're not just going to stop there, so we're going to add in the additional benefits. So once you add in the dining credit and the airline credit, that's another $220 on top of that per year. That puts us at $772 per year. And again, if this is your first year and you sign up using the welcome offer referral link below in the description, you're going to earn another 50,000 points, or $500. So once you tally all those numbers up, we are looking at a total of $1,272 per year within your first year, and that puts the total profit at $1,022. And in my mind, that's just crazy. Anyone with a credit score above 650, and if you have a consistent income, you should have this card in your wallet. You're going to be using this every day at supermarkets and restaurants, and there's no reason why you shouldn't be maximizing your spending. So please go out and get this card. Use the link in the description below before AMEX changes their mind. Thanks for watching, guys. Please make sure to tune in next time. If you learned something new in this video, make sure to hit the like button below. It really helps support the channel. In my next video, I plan on showing you how to get an upgraded seat on all United flights for $0 once you have purchased an economy seat. And if you're interested in learning about that, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I'll catch you next time.